Welcome to the West Virginia Grape Barrel Company, the world's most advanced whiskey cooperage in the heart of Appalachia. We've reinvented the modern cooperage to precisely, consistently, and safely build the highest quality barrels. Our process of building superior barrels begins in the forests of Appalachia, where mountainous terrain and rocky soil promote slow growth and a tighter grain in our white oak trees. We've got relationships with loggers and foresters who manage the forest land around us and sustainably harvest the white oak they bring to our mill. We then quarter saw, stack, and air dry the staves in the stave yard of our mill. Once at the cooperage, we hold staves in our drying building to equalize the moisture levels before bringing them into production. Our cooperage uses state-of-the-art automation while incorporating the time-honored traditions of master craftspeople. The initial stave inspection at the beginning of the stave line is the first of those steps. Once staves are inspected for natural defects such as knots, mineral lines, and sapwood, our technicians send them through our stave planers and jointers. We use the same CNC technology used by precision metalworkers to achieve maximum stave-to-stave contact, preventing losses due to joint leaks. Staves are inspected once more after planing and jointing, and again at barrel raising. After the barrels are raised, they travel through the steam tunnel, where the wood is softened by high-pressure steam and water. Once the staves are soft, they are ready to be bent into the shape of the barrel. Whenever we use automation in our cooperage, it's with consistency and safety in mind. We've pioneered the world's first fully automated windlass and truss hoop press to build consistently rounder barrels and to eliminate what is traditionally one of the most dangerous jobs in the cooperage. We're also pioneering the use of precision infrared toast, which we offer standard on every barrel we build. Infrared heat delivers a more consistent, repeatable toast so that when distillers find their ideal recipe, we can deliver it to them time and time again. After the toast, the barrel is inspected before it goes into our hydraulic rollout. Pressure is placed on the inside and outside of the barrel at the same time, rolling it smooth and creating a tighter barrel. After rollout, the barrel goes into our enclosed horizontal char. We've enclosed the char to eliminate variation in charring caused by ambient changes in air pressure and temperature, ensuring the most consistent char possible. The barrel is ignited and then extinguished at the precise moment to achieve the exact char level requested by the distiller. After the char, we move to the crozier, where we cut the crows and the chime where the barrel heads will later fit. Meanwhile, on the other side of the cooperage, we're making the barrel head. Our operators inspect the staves before sending them through our planers and tongue and groove head joiners. Technicians press the staves together on a hydraulic press and cut the heads into their final shape on a head rounder that uses the same CNC technology as our stave jointers. Our barrel heads are then toasted, charred, or optionally toasted and charred. Then, our wax robot precisely applies the correct amount of wax to the barrel head every time. On our coiled iron line, we shape, flare, and round our hoops from carbon steel or galvanized steel, and then stamp our signature WV rivets. Back on the barrel line, we're ready to put the heads into the barrels. Prior to installing hoops, the temperature of our barrels is measured to ensure they've cooled sufficiently to prevent the hoops from loosening. Our hoop drivers are designed to gauge resistance and will stop when the hoop is in the ideal place to protect the integrity of the barrel. The barrel is now complete. We drill the bunghole and then subject the barrel to an air and water test. Each barrel is filled with a gallon of pressurized reverse osmosis treated water and then rolls along the line to our inspectors, who carefully inspect every barrel for any signs of leaks. Any barrels that do not pass the test are sent to our highly skilled coopers who repair or replace problem staves. Coopering is an art, and another area of our cooperage where the skill and experience of our team really shines. When the barrel passes the test, the inspector stamps the barrel with their name and our shield. Every member of our team takes tremendous pride in building each barrel for our distiller customers. We have the lowest leak rates in the industry and the highest quality barrels on the market. But that's not by accident. Each step of our process has been thoughtfully designed to bring our distillers the highest quality barrels for all their spirits, in the safest, most precise, and most consistent way possible. And that's what makes a West Virginia Grape Barrel.